So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create these beachy sort of cool girl waves using the new GHD Chronos styler. Now this is the brand new launch. I'm so excited about this. It has HD motion receptive technology, which means that it responds to styling movements to make sure the heat is always at the optimum 185 degrees. So the new GHD Chronos stylers have these like ultra coated floating ceramic plates, which means they just glide through the hair for easy styling, frizz-free styling, and 85% more shine. So this re-engineered wishbone hinge actually means that the plates are also like perfectly aligned, so you don't need to put a lot of pressure, so it's super easy to style with them, which having these ridiculously long hair extensions I'm very grateful for, because this is making my life a lot easier. So all I'm doing to create these waves is just rocking the styler like backwards and forwards, just to create like little mermaid ripples. And then we go and do the other side, and then all done. That quick, that easy. You only had to go over each piece once, and it should last me for days. So very excited about this new tool and these amazing waves, because I'm off out tonight. So yeah, there we go.